Hello friends. So today's question is, will fuel come under GST? So will fuel come under GST, or should it come under GST for us? Whether it will be good for us is the question. Lot of business community and the consumers are asking and requesting the government to bring fuel under GST. Now the question is whether, first of all, it will happen, and even if it happens, whether it is good for you. So now the first question is, will it happen? As we know, the revenues of the government, thereby the central as well as the state governments, are totally or highly dependent on the taxes what they collect from fuel. I will not go into the figures how much a central government or a state government is getting at present, but they are highly dependent on the taxes what they get from fuel. So they are little hesitant to bring the fuel under GST, because they worry if they bring under GST, their revenues of the central and the state more so, because their avenues for getting the money other than from GST is only in few sectors now, and fuel is one of the major sectors. So they were a little hesitant to bring that into GST. So whether that will come or not, the time will say. Now the second question is, should it come, or is it going to benefit the business community and the consumer at large? Now business community, they feel what taxes they, if the fuel comes under GST, the taxes what they pay can be offset against input tax credit. They can claim for the taxes what they pay on fuel. But my feeling is, if one day fuel comes under GST, the first thing the council will do is they'll block the credits for the taxes paid on fuel. So it will be definitely, my feeling is they will not allow to take the credit of taxes what you pay in fuel, because if that happens, lot of the revenue of the government will fall down drastically. Like I told, they are highly dependent on the taxes what they pay on fuel, and if they allow the credit, then the revenues of the government may fall down drastically. So first is they may block the credit. Second, there is apprehension that the fuel prices may come down if they come under GST. That also I feel it may not happen, because they want to keep the revenue intact of the central as well as the state. So the tax rate for fuel may be a special rate which the council may bring with cesses and maybe surcharge, we don't know. But the taxes definitely will be almost the same, if not more. So we should not be happy or expect if fuel comes under GST, there will be magic, there will be fuel price down, business community will get benefited. I feel this is all the bad, wrong notions which the business community has got. So even if the fuel is under VAT and excise duty or under GST, doesn't matter to us, because I think the situation will be almost the same for a business community or the consumer. Thank you very much.